What's up guys, me Luke from Sunny Dude. Here we got the Beyblade X Drop Attack Battle Set. You get Impact Drake with 960 Low Rush, Hover Wyvern 385 Needle. You also get the Stadium, 2 Proto Launchers. Here's the stats on the back. As of right now, Hover Wyvern is exclusive to Hasbro. And we're outside today because it's a pretty nice day. All right, let's unbox it. This thing is huge. Instructions. I don't think we need instructions. Let's put that there. Hey, these look cool. It's a new Impact Drake. No longer exclusive to the booster. The string launcher. Hover Wyvern. Exclusive. This thing is cool. There's some purple clips that it comes with, and that will go onto a little Stadium to hold it in the plastic piece. Let's put those in real quick. To bed. Stadium looks pretty nice. It's Hasbro Stadium, so it's a little bit different. And then the pockets are a little bit different as well. I believe this one in the center is 3, and then all the other ones are 2. Yep, every other pocket is 2. This one, and then the ones in the corners. But let's take a look at the Beyblades. Actually, let's take a look. Comes with little Proto Launchers, of course. All black. Not too bad. Let's look at the Beyblades themselves. Let's take a look at Hover Wyvern first. This thing is very... Dang, this thing's like crazy. This blade is super Rico heavy, and a lot of people use it in meta. Pretty cool actually. Here's the 385, super tall. Then you got the bit, which is just a needle, which is kind of meh. Put it together. Oh, QR code on the back if anybody wants that for the app. This thing is tall. 385. And then of course you got Impact Drake, or yeah, that's what they're calling it. So you get the blade itself, it's got rubber, and have some good attacks. Basically the same as the Kartomi, but you don't have to pay as much. Then you got a 960 Ratchet in this blue translucent color, and then black. Honestly, that thing looks sick. And then of course you get Low Rush. Another rush bit is always good, because mine is kind of bad now. All right, let's do a couple of test launches. Now let's move on to the test launch and test spin. Moving on to the test launch. Let's do Hover Wyvern first. And if you guys, I did not buy another grip yet. It's on the list. So Nito stays in the center, and of course we're trying out the new Stadium as well. Here we got Impact Drake. Oh! That's actually cool. The way it goes up into the Stadium. And of course, this one's a little bit different compared to the regular Stadium. There's like 3 different zones: the center one, outer one, and another outer one. Let's try that battle again. Alright, moving on to some test battles. That extra height really makes a difference. That extra 5 millimeters. It's crazy. Alright, now try out some combos with Hover Wyvern. Alright, that concludes today's video. Hover Wyvern definitely needs some, I need to do some experimenting with it, but otherwise it's a pretty hard-hitting Beyblade. If I can find like the right combo, I know a lot of people on, like in the meta right now, a lot of people are using this in competitive. Anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Alright, so this is the aftermath of the unboxing. Got my little stool for my, I was just sat here like launching it like that, and then tripod, all this trash I gotta throw away. I don't think I show like what the aftermath is of unboxing. So usually after every unboxing I just, you know, I clean everything up, just put it on the side, and it takes at least like 15 minutes to clean it up.